Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to welcome you to County Court at Law Number 2. My name is Judge Terrence Holmes. I'm presiding judge here in County Court at Law Number 2. This morning, we have an announcement docket. When I call your name, please come forward before the bench with your attorney. If your attorney is not here, we'll wait for your attorney to arrive because your attorney may be in another court handling another matter. First case is cause number 25 CCCR 0762. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Jaquan Broussard. Mr. Broussard, would you please come forward?
How you doing?
I'm doing fine, Mr. Broussard. How are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Hold on a minute. Now, Mr. Broussard, you are represented by your attorney, Attorney Jack Lawrence. Mr. Lawrence, how are you doing?
Just fine, Your Honor.
And the state is represented in this case by Attorney Shane Hilton. Mr. Hilton, how are you doing?
I'm good, Your Honor. Thank you.
That's good. Now, let's see. Let me pull up Mr. Broussard's case. Waiting for the computer to, there we go. Okay. Mr. Broussard,
Yes, sir.
I see that we have a note on our docket sheet. The note on the docket sheet says that the attorney was to file a motion to withdraw.
Yes, sir.
And I'm looking in the file. I don't see a motion to withdraw. Mr. Lawrence, have you filed a motion to withdraw in this case?
Probably yesterday or the day before.
He had told me he could be.
Okay, I was looking for it. Is that enough? I guess this is all the paperwork.
It should have been e-filed.
Yeah, it's not here. They may have rejected it because sometimes if something is wrong, even when you e-file it, they may reject it and they send you a message saying that it's been rejected. So we may have to check with the county clerk's office because I don't have one. I don't have a copy in here.
Well, if we can go ahead and handle it here.
Yeah, you need to file your motion, your written motion, so we can have it in the file. Do you have a copy of your written motion?
Well, I don't have his file.
Okay.
I didn't bring his file.
Okay, well, I don't have a copy of a written motion before me. Hold on a minute. Let me do the ask Mr. I'm gonna take this off to She gonna give you the date. Hold on a minute.
It's October.
October 1st. Case will be reset to Wednesday, October 1st. Give you an opportunity to file your motion to withdraw. Okay? Now, Mr. Broussard, you get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir, you too.
Okay. And you'll get a reset as well.
All right, thank you.
Okay. And your other case has been reset, is that correct? The
Yes,
one on Dancy.
Yes, sir, it's already been reset, Judge.
Okay, what's that court date?
11/21. Yes.
Okay.
what's the court date in the other?
He says November the 21st, 2025.
Okay,
And that's gonna give Mr. Lawrence an opportunity to complete the discovery in the case.
all right,
Okay?
yes, thank you.
All right.
Your Honor, can we approach an off matter for Monday's trial docket?
Oh,
Wayne's here.
Jefferson County Court House Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session in cause number 25 CCCR 0616. Case is style of state of Texas versus Susie Alarcon. Ms. Alarcon is appearing via Zoom. Ms.
Yes,
Alarcon, how are you doing?
yes. Good morning, Your Honor. I'm good. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Alarcon, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney James Paget, who is also appearing via Zoom. Mr. Paget, how are you doing?
Doing well. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. State is represented in this case by Attorney Shane Hilton. Mr. Hilton, how are you doing?
I'm good, Your Honor. Thank you.
And Mr. Paget, what is your announcement in Ms. Alarcon's case?
Your Honor, we have applied for pretrial diversion. I have not heard back. I haven't got a response yet, but from looking at everything, I do not see why that she would not be accepted into the program. However, it would probably be a December 4th signing date. I
Okay.
applied several weeks ago.
Okay, so we're gonna reset this case to December 15th, 2025 to give your client an opportunity to sign up for pretrial diversion if she's approved. Mr. Paget, your reset will be sent to you. And Ms. Alarcon, stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. They will be given notice of your reset. You're free to go, and you have a
Okay.
blessed day.
Thank
Again,
you, Your Honor.
okay, your case is reset December 15th, 2025 at 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Paget, this is your only case. You're free to go as well.
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a blessed day.
Blessed day as well, Your Honor, and enjoy your
Right.
weekend.
All right, thank you. Same to you.
Thank you.
Cause number 25 CCCR 0698, case of style of state of Texas versus Rainey D. Prudhomme. Rainey Prudhomme was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. At about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Rainey Prudhomme at the courthouse door. Rainey Prudhomme did not answer. Rainey Prudhomme has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 10:07 a.m. on today's date of September 26th of 2025. Ms. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Rainey Prudhomme at the courthouse door?
Rainy Prudhomme. Rainy Prudhomme. Number 5, John.
Okay, Rainey Prudhomme's name was just called again at the courthouse door. Rainey Prudhomme did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Rainey Prudhomme the opportunity to appear in court. State,
That moves for bond forfeiture, Your Honor.
okay? That motion will be granted. Rainey Prudhomme's bond will be forfeited and a warrant will be issued for the arrest of Rainey Prudhomme and cause number 25 CCCR 0698. Next case is cause number 24 CCCR 0481. Case is styled of the state of Texas versus Keith Alfred Randall. Keith Randall was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. At about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Keith Randall at the courthouse door. Keith Randall did not answer. Keith Randall has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 10:08 on today's date of September 26, 2025. Ms. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Keith Randall at the courthouse door?
Keith Randall. No response, Your Honor.
Okay, Keith Randall's name was just called at the courthouse door. Keith Randall did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Randall the opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
That moves for bond forfeiture.
That motion will be granted. Keith Randall bond will be forfeited and a warrant should be issued for his arrest. And cause number 25 CCCR 0481. And just for the record, Mr.
They got off.
Oh, okay, the bondsman surrendered, did a surrender, so his bond will not be forfeited. Now, just for the record, Mr. Randall and Mr. Prudhomme, attorney, who is Joe Vasquez, he is present in court and has been here since court started. Okay, Mr. Vasquez, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You as well.
Okay.
Now, if Jack were here, he'd say that girl said they didn't have to be here.
Okay, this is cause number 25 CCCR 1278. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Sarah Elizabeth Jones. Ms. Jones, is that your full name? Ms. Jones, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Jones, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Ms. Jones, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Jones? That's good. Now, Ms. Jones, I have before me two documents. First document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. Do you recognize this document? Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes,
And are these your initials on the line that state you'd like to apply for a court-appointed attorney?
yes,
I also have another document that is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence. Do you recognize this document?
yes,
On page 2 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
yes.
Now, Ms. Jones, before you sign and initial these all these documents that I just showed you, did you read the documents? Did you understand what you read?
Yeah.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Okay, now, Ms. Jones, I need to ask you a question. I'm gonna turn this mic off right here. Okay, Ms. Jones, I read your answers. Based on your answers, you meet the eligibility requirements for the appointment of a court-appointed attorney. Attorney that will be appointed to represent you is Attorney David Grove. Attorney Grove is standing in court. He'll be given information to contact you. You'll be given information to contact him. Our court coordinator is going to give you that information. Please, once you get the information, you have an opportunity to talk to Mr. Grove. And then you'll be free to go. Okay, so just have a seat, wait for my court coordinator to give you a reset. Okay, just have a seat in that first chair on the wall. Okay. Now, Mr.
I have two other cases. I didn't know that I had but one with Mr. Hilton. And I've got discovery on the first one, but I didn't know about the second one, so I don't have anything on that good.
Okay, let's see.
This is Barry Shaw, Your Honor.
Because I was just having for one case. Okay, Barry Shaw,
He's outside, Judge.
Mr. Mosby. Once you get Mr. Shaw. You could, yeah.
Go to town, Papa, he's outside.
Yeah, he's out. I talked to him, Judge.
Okay, he's coming back in.
Of course, Judge, just because you tell people not to leave, that doesn't mean they don't leave. They don't seem to understand how court works.
Yeah.
Okay, this is cause number 25 CCCR 1294, case of style of state of Texas versus Barry Shaw III. Mr. Shaw, is that your full name? Okay, how are you doing, Mr. Shaw? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Shaw, you represented in your case by your attorney, David Grove. Attorney Grove, how are you doing?
Good, Judge, thank you.
Hey, Mr. Grove, what is your announcement in Mr. Shaw's case?
Judge, in Mr. Shaw's oldest case, which is 25 CCCR 1294, I'm prepared to make an announcement, but I understand he has another case.
Yes,
And
a
I'd
new
like
case.
to wait on the first case to make an announcement on the two cases.
What's he said he has a new case. What's the cause?
Your Honor, it hasn't been filed yet. It happened just this week, September
Because
22nd.
it's an unfiled.
That's what he was in jail on and just bonded out on.
So he has an unfiled.
But
Is
it
it,
involves the
is
same
it a
complaint.
misdemeanor?
Yes, it's the same charge and involves the
Hold on,
same
hold on,
complaining witness.
hold on, wait, well, that can go to what, let me see,
I'm not opposed if you want to dismiss it, Mr. Hill.
what's the date on this here? Do we have any information on it? Hold on a minute, let me find out, well, maybe,
Two. And release on that.
okay.
It's the same charge.
Okay. Okay, hold on a minute.
Ms. Jones?
Now we have, this is Shaw, okay. Then that's the new case. Let me do this here. No, I don't have it. Let me see that.
So you want to wait this, talk about them briefly, thank you. Will.
Yes, sir.
I have a question. Why should we know that you talk? So these are virtual.
Yeah.
Oh, this is
Ready?
Do you have anything?
I just need to try and get all of the witnesses. I hope you haven't called me back. Yes.
This is about. I can always make a step. I've already taken on right and I'm good, like ready. This case is gonna be.
okay, August the 19th. Okay. What's the last date of the last offense date of the new case?
It is September 22nd of 2025.
Okay, so I'm gonna set this here for bond revocation here. Okay,
Yeah.
he has bond conditions that was given to him on August the 19th of 2025. Okay,
Is the due date of the offense the 22nd?
I thought he said it was in September. The offense date, is it in September or August?
September 22nd.
That's the month after he was placed on bond.
Well, Judge, you're so close
But-
together, I mean, I'm not saying it didn't happen before, they actually were from the same date. I'm not saying it was because I hadn't seen the paperwork, but
Yeah, well, he had the paperwork. I'm talking about his bond conditions.
yes,
Remember
sir.
them bond conditions we gave you? Yeah, he said, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna have he's entitled to a right of, he has a due process. So, we're gonna have a hearing to see whether or not, he violated his bond conditions.
Judge, I just don't want to conclude, since none of us have seen paperwork, that they're not from the same incident. They could.
Yeah, I don't know, we'll
I'm
find that
not
out.
saying they were because I don't know.
Yeah, okay, well, we'll find that out.
I don't want to waive that or anything.
No, okay, no, well, we're gonna have a bond revocation here. Okay. So, when we have, hold on a minute. we're gonna modify it. I'm gonna modify those bond conditions. Where you're gonna have to get a GPS. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so we'll know where you are. Okay. Let's do that. We're gonna give me the bond conditions are modified where you're gonna be required to get a GPS monitor. And you're gonna have to have that done today. Okay? Yeah, this is. Okay, Mr. Shaw, I have before me a document that is titled First Amended Standard Bond Conditions in County Code at Law Number 2. And it states, following return of criminal information in County Code at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein are ordered subject to the additional conditions. Number 1, defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or the United States. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Okay, condition number 2, the defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol, and the test indicates the presence of drugs and alcohol in the defendant's body. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
And condition number 3, defendant shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim of the pending offense, and the defendant shall not go near any residence, school, or other location frequented by the alleged victim. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Now, condition number 4 does not apply because that only applies in a DWI case. Condition number 5 does apply, and condition number 5 states defendant is prohibited from possessing a firearm or ammunition unless defendant is a peace officer as defined by section 1.07 of Penal Code, actively engaged in employment as a sworn full-time paid employee of a state agency or political subdivision. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
And condition number 7 states that the defendant shall wear a global positioning monitoring system device at the defendant's expense with written verification being submitted to the court today before 5 p.m. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you violate any one of these conditions, your bond can be revoked, and if your bond is revoked, warrant will be issued for your arrest. You'll be arrested and placed in the Jefferson County Jail This case is reset. What's that reset date?
October second at 2 p.m.
Okay, this case is reset to October 2nd, 2025 at 2 p.m. for a bond revocation hearing. Now you need to provide proof. You need to you could get that information to your attorney. He can get it to us, or we can give you the information. We can give you the email and or fax number so you can get that information to us if you prefer not to bring it up here in person. Okay? The proof that you receive that you have this GPS. Okay, it has to be done today. Okay?
Judge, could I
Yes.
ask Mr. Shaw a couple questions? The judge went over a number of things. One thing that he went over was that you're to have no contact, talking to them on the phone, visiting with their person with the victim of the first offense, okay? Can't talk to her, you can't live with her, you can't do anything with her. That was condition 3, I believe.
Yes.
Another condition the judge just put you under was that starting today, which is kind of tough because it's Friday, you got to get a GPS monitor from a person that you rent those from, and it will order you to stay away from the victim in this case.
Right.
And not have any contact with her. And you're supposed to get this done this afternoon. And then once you get it done, the judge says you could either get it to me or we'll get it up here, or you can fax it or send one up here to the court so that he knows that you've done that.
Right.
And that's today. You got to
Right.
do that today.
Right.
So there's several things in here that you're gonna have to do. And then the third thing that I heard, and there's a bunch of other things
There you
that
go.
according to the judge said was, he's gonna have a hearing on Thursday as to whether
That's his copy.
he's going to revoke your bond.
Right.
But that's not till Thursday. Okay? And we'll go over this, but I want to make sure that you understand that the judge is putting you under some new restrictions that you weren't under.
We just added one more restriction. That's the GPS. He has already been under the other conditions of bond since I think it's August 19th of 2025. Okay. Okay, so we just want to see if he violated those conditions, any one of those conditions. Okay.
And I'm not familiar with places that issue these.
Oh, we have
GPS monitors,
but
But the judge will give you a list of those.
today,
But it'll
and
give
you cannot have any contact with the victim. Okay. Okay, and this is we'll the GPS at least give us we'll be able to track you. If you try to have access to that victim, we'll know. Okay? You can't talk, you can't communicate either directly or indirectly. Indirectly means you can't send nobody over there with a message from you. Okay? You can't contact them on Facebook, Instagram, no type of social media, no telephone. Okay, you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you cannot go to where they're located, their home, school, or any place that they frequent, that they go to a lot.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Is this likely that
All right. You can get your reset. Once you get your reset and that information on that GPS, you'll be free to go.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Talk about this outside, right?
And
Hold on tonight.
prosecutors, make sure that we contact the victim.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right.
Wait outside.
Quindarius Bruno.
So things, you know, the great love, you know, most of the when James gets this notice. And then I have your copy too.
Well, I appreciate it.
And this is the copy. You want me to put that in? This is shit that lady, I'm still serving you. With the mercy, well, she's still waiting.
She's supposed to be waiting, we'll see.
Oh, yeah, she's still waiting. She's still waiting.
Yeah, I think she'll wait, I can get that from her. Okay.
Shame. I don't need to go. And I think she wanted to.
Okay, well.
This is the copy you and,
I'll the file, so if you'll be write it down for you real quick, David, I will.
Yeah, if you would, that'd be great.
Can I have your reset? I'll just write it on that. For Jones?
yeah.
Okay, this is cause number 25 CCCR 1254. Case is South State of Texas versus Quindarius Bruno. Mr. Bruno, is that your full name? You have to speak up.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Bruno, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Bruno, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help you God? Mr. Bruno, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Bruno? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Mr. Bruno, I have two documents before me. First document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. You recognize this document?
Sir.
Is this your signature on the line as titled defendant? And are these your initials on the line that state you would like to apply for a court-appointed attorney? The next document that I have is titled Affidavit of Indigence. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Bruno, before you signed and initialed these documents, did you read the documents?
Sir.
Did you understand what you read?
Yes, sir.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Okay, now, Mr. Bruno, let me turn this off. I need to ask you some questions. Next case is cause number 25 CCCR 0644, case of style, Texas versus Marcus Andrew Edwards. Marcus Edwards. Okay, Mr. Edwards, your full name is Marcus Andrew Edwards.
Yes,
How you doing, Mr. Edwards?
I'm doing well. How are you? Sir?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking, Mr. Edwards. You're representing the case by your attorney, Tyler LeBlanc. And Mr. LeBlanc, what is your announcement in Mr. Edwards' case?
Judge, I think we need some more time. I think prosecutor might do some things as soon as we need to talk with him.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. Give us a reset date. Which, okay, this case is reset to November 7th, 2025. Mr. Edwards, you'll be able to get a copy of the reset from our court coordinator. Once you get a copy of the reset, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Okay, stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. All right, let's have a seat in the chair. Okay, Martin Romero. This is cause number 25 CCCR 0790. Case of style of state of Texas versus Martin Romero. Mr. Romero, is that your full name? How are you doing, Mr. Romero?
Good.
That's good. Now, Mr. Romero,
Yeah, I don't have a seat.
I have before me a document. Well, I was looking for conditions. Okay, now, Mr. Romero, I was looking at your conditions of bond. You have a DWI second, and as part of your conditions of bond, you were required to have an interlock device installed in your vehicle.
Yeah.
You have it? Do you? You're supposed to provide proof to the court that you had the interlock. Did you have your paperwork? Did you give your paperwork to your attorney to give to the court?
Oh, I guess I have a copy in the car.
Okay. What will you do? Well, what you need to do is give a copy to your attorney. Your attorney can get it to the court so we can verify.
Yes, sir.
You say you have a copy in the car? Okay. Now, Mr. LeBlanc, what's your announcement? Don't lean on the bench, Mr. LeBlanc.
Judge,
Okay.
I'm understanding it's Andrew's case.
Oh, it's the one that, oh, he's no longer, he's next door now. So it's Mr. Hilton's?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can I,
Um,
give me some time to talk about it? It's, he's gonna have to do jail up front if we do work it out.
Okay,
Get about a second, and I need to make sure he understands that,
okay,
because he has a job.
okay. Okay, give us a reset date.
And they know from the.
Okay, this case will be reset to November 7th, 2025. Mr. Romero, you get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Michael Solis. Okay, and he has 3 cases. Let's see. Now, your full name is Michael Wayne Solis.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Solis, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Solis, you may put your hand down. Now, Mr. Solis, I have before me a document that is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. You recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
And are these your initials on the line that state you'd like to apply for court-appointed attorney? I also have another document that is titled Affidavit of Indigence. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And on page 2 of the same document, there's a signature above the line that's Mr. LeBron. Just hold on. There's a signature on the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Solis, before you sign and initial these documents, did you read the documents?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand what you read?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Solis, I read your answers. Based on your answers, you meet the eligibility requirement for the appointment of a court-appointed attorney. And the attorney that will be appointed to represent you is Attorney Todd LeBlanc. He's sitting at the table right there.
Sir.
Our court coordinator will give you information to contact Mr. LeBlanc. And Mr. LeBlanc will be giving information to contact you. Once she gives you that information, you'll be able to meet with Mr. LeBlanc
Yes, sir.
today. Okay, just have a seat in that first chair and wait for your name to be called. Would you please raise your right hand? You swear firm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Mr. Bruno, you may put your hand down. Mr. Bruno, I have before me. What is this other? Did I? Hold on a minute.
You get it.
I know, but I think I passed it on to them. Mr. Bruno. Okay, Mr. Bruno. This document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. You recognize this document?
Yes.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? And are these your initials on the line that state you'd like to apply for court-appointed attorney? I also have another document that's titled Affidavit of Indigence. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Is this your signature? Now, Mr. Bruno, before you signed and initial these documents, did you read the documents? You understand what you read? Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Ms. Bruno, I read your answers. Based on your answers, you meet the eligibility requirements, appointment of court-appointed attorney. The attorney that will be appointed to represent you is Attorney John Macy. Attorney Macy will be given information to contact you, and you will be given information to contact him. Our court coordinator will give you that information. Once she gives you that information, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day. Please have a seat in that second chair on the wall.
You too.
Thank you. Bruno. Okay, Mr. Vasquez. Mr. Vasquez.
You ready for a visit? Fire. I mean, did he say stay here?
Okay, this is clause number 25 CCCR 0528. Case is filed in the state of Texas versus Jeffrey Anthony Vasquez Cespedes. Mr. Vasquez Cespedes, how are you doing?
I'm good, yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Vasquez Cespedes, you're representing your case by your attorney, Attorney Giles Cole. Mr. Cole, how are you doing?
Great job. Still.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Cole, what's your announcement in Mr. Vasquez Cespedes case?
Your Honor, the state has a motion to dismiss. The complaining witness filed a non-prosecution affidavit yesterday. I have a copy of this to attach to the state's motion. It's been sent to.
Did they send it to you?
I just sent it a couple minutes ago. I just saw that it was, that we had gotten it, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay.
How you been?
Good, how are you? Yes, sir.
Long drive too, long drive.
Yeah. I called earlier this morning. Yes, I did.
Don't pick up for me, we're gonna let it go. And you're just getting, it's the jaws.
I drove the speed limit.
By that, he was 20 under.
State troopers on the highway.
Huh?
Yeah, I went out there and all that.
Okay, Mr. Vasquez Cespedes,
Yes, sir.
I'm signing this motion to dismiss. You'll be able to get a copy of this motion from our court coordinator in a few minutes. Okay, you can stand in front of the court coordinator and get your dismissal. You'll be free to go.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Excuse you.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
$5.
I'm good, yes.
Okay, this is cause number 25 CCCR 0698. Case is South of State of Texas versus Rainey Prudom. Ms. Prudom, is that your full name? How are you doing, Mr. Prudom? Ms. Prudom? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Prudom, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Jill Vasquez. Attorney Vasquez is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Vasquez, how are you doing?
Good, Your Honor. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine. Now, Mr. Vasquez was here earlier. Your case was called earlier. State at that time filed a motion to forfeit your bond. State.
State moves to withdraw its motion.
Okay, the state is withdrawing the motion to forfeit the bond. And Mr. Vasquez, what is your announcement in Ms. Prudhom's case?
Your Honor, could we ask for a short reset? I believe we can dispose of the case next time we're in court.
Okay, give us a short recess.
And thank you for withdrawing the forfeiture, Mr. Hilton.
Okay.
You're welcome.
October 24th.
Okay, this case is reset to October 24th, 2025. Miss Prudhom, you get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day. And this will conclude the calling of the court's announcement docket on today's date. In County Court at Law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, Judge Terrence L. Holmes presiding. Mr. Vasquez, you're free to go. Prosecutors, you're also free to go. And everyone, please have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge. Y'all have a good weekend.
All right. Thanks a lot.